And 3, 2,
A
1.
few
Hey, what's up
moments
mga bad
later.
boys? Pag buwan pa lang kayo sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo dyan. Pinutin yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong upload na videos. For more time on this video, click to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like the description box below. For this my vlog, Bristol Motomorini 650 Escape Model
1 hour
2021
later.
spec. Engine type, 4-stroke, twin cylinder, double overhead cam, 4 valves per cylinder. Engine displacement 449 cubic centimeter. 4-stroke 83 by 60 millimeter. Compression ratio 11 by 3 by 1. Cooling system liquid cooled. Induction Bosch CFI injection system. Emission Euro 5 compliance. Ignition Bosch EFU ECU. Starting electric, more maximum of power 45 kilowatt at 61 horsepower at 8,000 rpm. Maximum of torque 56 newton meter of torque at 41.3 41 kilofeet at 7,000 rpm. Transmission speed 6-speed gearbox. Final drive chain, uh, frame steel 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 trellis and aluminum swing arm. Front suspension 15 meter upside down fork, telescopic fork, fully adjustable. Front wheel travel 160 millimeter by 60 6.2 inch. Front suspension, single shock absorber, adjustable in preload and rebound damping. Rear wheel travel 135 millimeter, 5.3 inch. Front brakes 2 by 398 millimeter disc. Floating calipers, 2 calipers. Rear brakes single 255 millimeter disc, 2 piston calipers. ABS system Bosch ABS 9.1 9.1 inch, wall ABS with wheel tubeless spoke. Front rim 2.50 by 90. Rear rim 4.25 by 17. Front tire 110 by 80 by 19. Rear wheel 150 by 70 by 17. Brake 25-degree crankshaft. Mission dimension length 2,200 millimeter by 68.6 inch. Width 850 millimeter by 33.4 inch, including mirrors. Wheelbase 1,470 millimeter by 57.8 inch. Seat height 820 millimeter by 845 millimeter by 32.2 by 33 by 2 inch. Ground clearance 175 millimeter by 6.8 inch. Dry weight 213 kilogram by 469.5 kilos. Full fuel capacity 18 liters by 4.7 use gallon. Itong Moto Morini isa siyang adventure bike na 650cc na Moto Morini. Ito yung bagong labas ni Bristol Caloocan na ito yung pinapalabas dating motor ni Red Sweet Potato na 650cc na adventure or sports adventure ang tour at sports touring bike na engine type niya 4-stroke siya na between cylinder, double level cam at 4 valves per cylinder. Ang displacement niya naman niya ay 649 cubic centimeter. Ang bore stroke naman niya 83 by 60 millimeter. Ang cooling system naman niya ay liquid cooled. Naka Euro 5 na rin siya, compliance. Ito siyang tipid siya sa gas. Ignition naman niya Bosch ECU. Naka-ECU na siya. Starting niya electric. Yung power niya 45. Medyo na naman to power niya lang ay naka 61. Medyo malakas na rin to kasi yung CP niya nasa 58 horsepower. Ito kasi 61 horsepower naman to, 8,500 RPM. Torque naman niya 56 lang, Newton meter torque. At yung transmission speed naman niya 6 speed. Chain naman niya, chain drive ay chain. Tapos yung frame niya, mismong frame niya, steel trellis and aluminum swing arm. At front suspension niya naka 15 mm outside down periscopic fork. Kulay naman niya ng frame niya na itim. Kulay itim siya na medyong colored siya. Tapos naka-fully adjustable na siya. Tapos yung front wheel travel niya naka 161 mm. 6.2 inch. Tapos ang rear brake na rear brakes ay single 255 mm disc, 2 piston caliper. At yung sukat naman ng gulong ay sa harapan 110 by 80 by 90 tubeless. Ang tatak naman niya may silin at rear brake ay rear type wheel 150 by 70 by 17 tubeless. Pala sila ng brand Michelin. Tapos naman ay seat height niya ay 820 mm. 820 mm tsaka 845 mm na may sukat na 32.2 inch. Tapos naman sa may back rider naman niya ay 33.2 inch. Ground clearance naman niya 175 mm. Ground simula hanggang baba ay taas hanggang baba. Ang ground clearance naman niya ay 175 mm. Tapos dry weight naman niya, timbang ay ng motor 213 kilos. Full capacity naman niya ay 18 liters. At tumatakbo siya ng 200 plus kph. Tapos ang fuel capacity naman niya ay 18 liters na may 4.7 gallon. Ito siyang Bristol at presyo niya ay nasa 664,000 pesos. Ito lang base ko ngayon na yung darating na 2025. Ewan ko kung binago nila ang presyo ngayon at bore stock niya pala ay 83.60 mm. Compression ratio naman niya 11/3/1 na may liquid cooled system, induction at World GFI injection system na may Euro 5 compliance. Dito ko na tatapusin ang aking vlog. Sana may natutunan ko sa aking pag-vlog at kung hindi ka pa subscribe, click na subscribe and pwede mo pinutin ang aking yung bell icon para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong upload na videos ko. Thank you for watching this vlog. See you on the next vlog. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Babush! Thank you for watching this vlog. Babush!